All right. 3 boxes of 22 F1 Chrome coming up. For the back half of the case, we're going to do PYT. So those of you that have wanted to chase a specific driver or drivers, you can be able to just grab a team. I'm going to post it 3 boxes at a time, and then you can lock for the back half for the rest of the case if that's what you want to do. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. So far, the case has been really good, so hopefully we keep it going right now. Box number 1. That feels different. Now that is a Twitch name right there, Bird. Prom Lover 416782616. Yep, okay. That's a heck of a Twitch name. And first card out the door, Mr. Prom Lover. Logan Sargent portrait. This is who you're looking for. Now if we could just hit some color of him, that's a good start. There's a Lewis Hamilton, a Lando Norris, and a refractor Jack Doohan for F2. Your nickname was with all those numbers also? 41678261626? Or is that like a phone number or something? All right, we got Max Verstappen. Jack Doohan, portrait. On the back, we have a Nicholas Latifi, Speed Demons. And a Checker Vettel. Nice checker portrait Vettel for Aston Martin. That's going to Pat. More like Wall Demon. Ouch. Poor love. All right. There's our first Zhou Guan Yu, rookie. There's a Mick portrait. Latifi. And a refractor Carlos Sainz for Ferrari. Nope, no color. All right, we got Max, France winner. Franz Tost. Leclerc. And F1 racer or Red Bull. I don't think that's Leclerc. That is Sergio Perez. Wait, is that Red Bull? Oh, Red Bull. Never mind. Wouldn't be Leclerc anyway. What do you think of the set, Bogey? The Cars set. How do you like it compared to previous years? Liam Lawson. Kevin Magnussen. Yuki. And a refractor, not a refractor, Alpine racer, Esteban Ocon. So that's the set this year, Bogey. Enzo Fittipaldi. This is a thick boy in the back. Leclerc. Oh, that's orange. I think that's orange. It might be one of those short prints. Orange red. Yep, it's orange red. Orange red Kevin Magnussen. Orange red Kevin Magnussen. Someone have the checklist up? I'm curious what the odds are on orange red. Let's go into Haas. That is SCH. And a Leclerc Sainz Constructor Coalition. Oh, you already sold those sets? Gotcha. All right, Vettel, Lewis Hamilton, Albon, and an AlphaTauri F1 racer, Pierre Gasly. I'm curious if orange red is rarer than green purple. Yeah, I think that first set definitely looked the best. I wasn't a big fan of last year's. I think this year's is a little nicer, but I agree with you with 2020. Fernando and a refractor portrait of Yuki. Going to AlphaTauri. That is Mr. Enigma. Max. Portrait Marcus Armstrong. George Russell. And a Carlos Sainz Speed Demons. Oh, you sent the whole set in? Nice. When is that due back? Like, where is it in the process? Caldwell? Theo? There's a George Russell portrait. I hope he has a good year. And Verstappen and Perez. Constructor Coalition. Magnussen. There's a Ricardo portrait. Otmar. And Alpine racer. Fernando. Ah, okay. Sergio Perez. Vettel. There's a refractor Sergio Perez, Grand Prix driver of the day. And a Daniel Ricciardo pink refractor. So this is new to this year. Number 8 of 75, going to McLaren. That is Mr. Enigma. Pink refractor. Huh. All right, Lewis Hamilton. Iwasa. There's our first Piastri. I don't even think I saw one in the first break. And George Russell, Speed Demons. Verstappen, Bottas portrait. Refractor Pierre Gasly. And then on the back, we've got a mini diamond. For Aston Martin, it's Vettel. Man, Vettel's been all over. Driver of the day, Monte Carlo. That is 46 of 299. Gasly, Daruvula. There's a Max refractor. Oh, this is, I think, is this the image variation? This might be the image variation. Hold on a second. Purple refractor Iwasa. I'm so confused on the card numbers this year. 218 of 399. I don't know if anyone has a checklist up, but this Max is card number 2. So last year that would have made it the image variation, but I'm not sure. I guess if it was a variation, it probably wouldn't say refractor, so it may not be. A Red Bull card. Interesting. Hey, there's a Zhou Guanyu rookie. Mick. And Alfa Romeo F1 Racer for Zhou Guanyu. Got the rookie's emblem and everything. Lewis Hamilton, Nissany, Leclerc, Vettel and Lando Stroll. Oh, what? Lance Stroll. I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, Lance Stroll. Constructor Coalition. Last pack of box 1. There's Christian Horner. Another Vettel portrait. Esteban Ocon portrait for Alpine. And F1 Racer Haas. Kevin Magnussen. Yeah, it was card number 2. I'm gonna grab it actually. Oh, base version card number 2, he's wearing a hat. So that's just number 2, whatever that is. Okay. So is there any rhyme or reason to the image variations? Do we know which ones they are? I'll have to check that out later. Max Verstappen, Bottas, Lewis Hamilton, and Constructor Coalition, Verstappen and Perez. There's a Mick, Ricardo, Carlos Sainz, and a Refractor Ricardo for McLaren. Let's go into Enigma. Max, Marcus Armstrong, Ocon, Red Bull, F1 Racer for Max. Yeah, that's why it made me think it wasn't a variation, because it won't say refractor. Lewis Hamilton, Pierre Gasly. On the back, we have a Sergio Perez Speed Demons, and then a checker, Sergio Perez for Red Bull. Let's go on a bye week. A little right to left. A little right to left. We got purple, Max Verstappen, Vettel. F1 Racer for Aston Martin. That is Pat. And a purple refractor, Pierre Gasly. Portrait to $3.99. That is going to Enigma. We'll take color portraits. Not sure what that is on the top right. Sergio Perez, Vettel, Verschuer, and a refractor Leclerc. I didn't even look at this, see if this one was. Yeah. So what about this one then, Bogey? This does not say refractor or anything on it. Gunther, Lando, Binotto, and a refractor Clement Novalak. Pretty off-center. That Magnussen may be an image variation. Max, Joe Guan Yu, rookie. Daruvula, Mick and Magnussen, Constructor Coalition. Yeah, that's orange-red. This is Mercedes-Benz team card. Latifi, portrait. Refractor Cordial. And an Otmar refractor auto for Alpine. Going to Run CMC. Otmar Softenauer. Sergio Perez, Vesti, F1 Racer for McLaren, and a pink refractor, Latifi. 17 of 75. All right, George Russell, Ricardo, Alonso portrait, and an Alonso Speed Demons. Max, Lance Stroll, Williams Racing, F1 Racer, and a mini diamond, Max Verstappen. For Red Bull, going to bye week. Really nice looking card. 138 of 299. The mini diamond looks good. It looks really clean. Lewis Hamilton. We have gold purple. Daniel Ricciardo. Constructor Coalition, Vettel and Stroll. And our gold purple, it's not a portrait, it's Ricardo. For McLaren. Oh, maybe the orange red's just, they don't say refractor anyway. I don't know. That is going to Enigma. Sergio Perez, Bottas, Leclerc, and a refractor Ocon. Liam Lawson, Lewis Hamilton, Yuki, and F1 Racer, Alfa Romeo, that's Bottas. 3 to go in box 2. Sergio Perez, Lando, Alonso, and a Pierre Gasly, Speed Demons. Wow, look how off-center that is. Mike, we got a purple checker here. Cordial, F1 Racer for F2. This is going to Haas. Mick Schumacher, numbered to 199. Boshan, Albon, Doohan, and a refractor Caldwell. All right. Last box of the break. After this, I'll be posting PYT for the back half of the case. All right, let's pull something. It's a Lance Stroll portrait. We've had a lot of portraits, at least in this one. The first break, there were not many. Kevin Magnussen, speaking of that, Albon, and a refractor Theo for F2. Ooh, that's Gold Wave. We have a Gold Wave in the back. Lance Stroll. Cordial. There's a Lewis Hamilton refractor. Oh, this could be a portrait. Okay. Theo Pourchaire Gold Wave Auto to 50. Going to F2. Bird. That's not bad. Gabe, what are the chances Theo gets a shot at F1? I know you're here somewhere. There you go, new shorts. Max portrait. And we have a gold checker. Now this is a box. There we go. This is a box. Alonso. Wow, Logan Sargent refractor. Let's go. Bird. A gold checker right behind it. Ollie Caldwell. Gold checker to 50. Going to Bird. This is a Bird personal. Sheesh. Bottas, George Russell, Ricciardo, and the Speed Demons Vettel. Max, we have a green refractor. Williams, there we go. Joe Guan Yu rookie refractor. We'll take some Joe color. All right, green refractor, George Russell. 5 of 99. I think the checkered looks the best. The gold checker looks good. Max, Pierre Gasly, portrait. Ocon, and a refractor, Lewis Hamilton. Can't go wrong with refractor, Lou Hams. Another checker, Clement Novalak. There's Toto. On the back, we have a Speed Demons Albon. And our checker, it's another portrait, I think. Is it F2? It's F1. It's Bottas. Yeah, I'm just a fan of these checkers. They just look good. They look clean. I was asking earlier, Gabe. I guess you missed it, but I was wondering what are the odds Theo gets to F1? Like, is there a path for that? I know if anyone knew, it's you. F1 Racer for Haas. And a purple refractor, Lewis Hamilton. This is a box. 206 of 399. Now this is a box. Vesti, Lewis Hamilton, Lando, and Mercedes. F1 Racer. Sergio Perez, Nissany, Leclerc, and a Constructor Coalition, Gasly and Yuki. No bias, yeah, I'm sure. Max, there's a Lando Norris portrait. Williams, F1 Racer for Mercedes. This case so far has been really good. It's been a really good case. Max, Marcus, F1 Racer for Ferrari, and then we've got a mini diamond, Lando Norris. That is going to McLaren. That is Enigma. Lewis Hamilton, Lando, Sato, and AlphaTauri. Oh, at first glance, that looked like almost like sepia, but it's not. Sergio, Bottas, Sainz, and Bottas. Actually, that's a rookie card, right? Because it's got Joe. I guess that's a rookie. Four packs to go. Vettel, Lewis Hamilton. We got purple green. More Bottas. And then a Constructors Coalition for Mercedes. Sergio Perez, Albon, Carlos Sainz, and a refractor Max Verstappen. 2 left. For those that missed, I will do a quick recap at the end. And I know some just watch the YouTube VOD, so just always can fast forward to the recaps. Mick and a Latifi refractor. Last pack. Let's have some last pack magic. Come on. Okay, there. Yeah, no magic. And a Lando Norris Speed Demons. All right. Quick little recap. We have a Botas, purple green. Purple gold Ricardo. Mini Diamond Lando Norris. Purple Refractor Lewis Hamilton, that is to $3.99. Green Refractor George Russell to $99. How about a Gold Checker Caldwell to $50. Purple Checker Mick Schumacher to $199. Mini Diamond Max Verstappen, $2.99. Pink Refractor Latifi. Like the pink is so subtle. Purple Refractor Pierre Gasly Portrait. That's a nice one. To $3.99. Purple Refractor Iwasa to $3.99. Sebastian Vettel Mini Diamond. That's to $2.99. Pink Refractor Daniel Ricciardo to $75. An Otmar Auto for Alpine. I'm sure Run CMC is thrilled about Otmar's signature. We have an orange-red mag. I think those are the rarest for the short prints. I think so. And then a gold wave Theo. F2 auto numbered to 50. Thank you all for joining the break. I'll be throwing up PYT here shortly once I get this all sorted. Thanks, guys.